Here I have UMIDIGI A9, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. So first of all, you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination of keys power key and volume up at the same time. After you enter this kind of menu, here in this menu you have to use volume up key to navigate and volume down to select. And you have to select the second option, Fastboot mode, and after that you will enter Fastboot mode. Small letters here saying Fastboot mode, which is the proof that we are in the Fastboot mode right now. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.